Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be introducing you to DevOps, a transformative approach that's changing the way we develop and operate software. Whether you're a developer, an IT professional, or just curious about DevOps, this video is for you. What is DevOps? DevOps stands for Development and Operations. It's a set of practices that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. It bridges the gap between development teams who create software and operations teams who manage and maintain it. The goal is to enhance collaboration, communication, and efficiency. DevOps focuses on automating and monitoring the process of software construction, from integration, testing, and releasing to deployment and infrastructure management. DevOps evolved in response to the growing need for better collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. Pre-DevOps era. Traditionally, software development followed a linear, sequential process called the waterfall model. This often led to long development cycles and inflexible processes. Development and operations teams worked in silos, resulting in frequent miscommunications, deployment delays, and operational inefficiencies. Agile movement. In the early 2000s, agile methodologies emerged, emphasizing iterative development, continuous feedback, and collaboration. However, agile primarily transformed development practices without fully bridging the gap with operations. Birth of DevOps. Around 2007 to 2009, the term DevOps started gaining traction. Influential figures like Patrick Du Bois and Andrew Schaefer were pivotal in its conceptualization. The first DevOps Days conference in Ghent, Belgium in 2009 marked a significant milestone in formalizing the DevOps movement. Key principles of DevOps. DevOps emphasizes several key principles to enhance software development and operations. Automation. Automation is fundamental to DevOps. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can reduce human error, improve efficiency, and focus on more strategic activities. Tools like Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes play a crucial role in automating various aspects of the development and deployment process. Continuous delivery, CD. A core DevOps practice is continuous delivery, where code changes are automatically tested and deployed. This allows for faster and more reliable releases, reducing the risk of integration issues and enabling quicker feedback loops. Collaboration. DevOps fosters a cultural shift towards better collaboration and communication between development and operations teams. This involves breaking down silos, fostering a shared responsibility for software delivery, and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Benefits of DevOps. Adopting DevOps offers numerous benefits to organizations. Faster time to market. DevOps practices enable quicker releases, allowing organizations to bring their products to market faster and respond to customer needs more rapidly. Improved deployment frequency. With DevOps, organizations can increase the frequency of deployments, ensuring that new features and updates are delivered consistently and reliably. Lower failure rate of new releases. By automating testing and deployment processes, DevOps reduces the likelihood of errors and failures in new releases, improving overall software quality. Core components of DevOps. Automation automates repetitive tasks to reduce errors and improve efficiency with tools like Jenkins and Docker. Continuous integration and continuous delivery. CI/CD automates testing and deployment for faster, more reliable releases. Infrastructure as code. IAC treats infrastructure configuration like code, ensuring consistency and scalability. Monitoring and logging continuously monitors applications and infrastructure to identify and resolve issues quickly. Collaboration and communication enhances communication and shared responsibility between development and operations teams. Role of DevOps in modern organizations. DevOps plays a crucial role in modern organizations by accelerating time to market, quicker releases and responses to customer needs. Enhancing reliability, ensuring consistent and reliable updates. Improving collaboration, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. Boosting efficiency, reducing errors and manual work through automation. Real-world example, George at ACME Corporation background. Meet George, a senior developer at ACME Corp, a company that provides cloud-based project management software. Before adopting DevOps, ACME Corp faced several challenges. Frequent outages. ACME Corp's application was built on a monolithic architecture, making it difficult to manage and scale, leading to frequent service outages. Slow release cycles. Deploying new features and bug fixes was slow and cumbersome, affecting the user experience. Inefficiencies, manual processes, and a lack of automation led to operational inefficiencies and increased the risk of human error. George and his team struggled with the following issues. Integration problems. Every time they integrated new code, there were conflicts and bugs, leading to long debugging sessions. Deployment delays. Deploying new features often took days or even weeks, slowing down innovation. Siloed teams. The development and operations teams worked separately, leading to miscommunications and delays. ACME Corp decided to adopt DevOps practices to address these challenges. Here's how George and his team implemented DevOps. Microservices architecture. They transitioned from a monolithic to a microservices architecture. This allowed different parts of the application to be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. Automation. George set up continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, pipelines using Jenkins and GitLab CI/CD. This automated the build, test, and deployment processes, reducing manual errors and speeding up the release cycle. Infrastructure as code, IAC. The team started using Terraform to manage their infrastructure. This allowed them to provision and manage infrastructure through code, ensuring consistency and making it easier to scale. Monitoring and logging. They implemented advanced monitoring and logging tools like Prometheus and Grafana to gain real-time insights into application performance and quickly identify and resolve issues. The adoption of DevOps led to significant improvements at ACME Corp. Increased reliability. The shift to microservices and automated pipelines drastically reduced the frequency and impact of service outages. Faster releases. ACME Corp can now deploy new features and updates multiple times a day, enabling rapid iteration and innovation. Scalability. The ability to quickly scale infrastructure on demand has allowed ACME Corp to handle increases in user traffic seamlessly. Enhanced customer experience. Continuous delivery of new features and improvements has led to higher customer satisfaction and retention. In summary, DevOps is a transformative approach that integrates software development, dev, and IT operations, ops, to enhance collaboration, communication, and efficiency within organizations. Originating as a response to the limitations of traditional waterfall methodologies and the partial improvements brought by Agile, DevOps has grown into a comprehensive methodology. It emphasizes automation, continuous delivery, and a culture of shared responsibility and continuous improvement. By adopting DevOps practices, organizations can enjoy numerous benefits, including faster time to market, improved deployment frequency, and a lower failure rate of new releases. The core components of DevOps, automation, CI/CD, infrastructure as code, IAC, monitoring and logging, and enhanced collaboration, work together to ensure that software is developed, tested, and deployed more efficiently and reliably. The real-world example of George at ACME Corp illustrates how transitioning to DevOps can lead to significant improvements. By addressing integration problems, deployment delays, and siloed teams, DevOps enabled ACME Corp to achieve increased reliability, faster releases, scalability, and enhanced customer satisfaction. DevOps is not just a set of tools or processes, it's a cultural shift that requires commitment and continuous effort. As technology and business landscapes continue to evolve, so too will DevOps practices, driving further innovation and value. For any organization looking to improve its software development and operational efficiency, embracing DevOps is a crucial step towards achieving these goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you.